We have now come to the last award of tonight. This is the Lifetime Achievement Award. This is by far the biggest award of tonight, and this prestigious award we confer to industry leaders who are the change makers, the thinkers, and have had a huge impact on the industry and the society at large. May I request Mr. E.R. Raj Narayanan, the Chief Manufacturing Officer and Business Head at Ultratech Cement, to do the honor.
I am honored to present the 9th Annual Manufacturing Today Conference and Awards 2021 for the category of Lifetime Achievement Award. And the award goes to Mr. Baba Kalyani, Chairman and Managing Director, Bharat Forge Limited. Many congratulations to the winner.
Thank you so much, Mr. Narayanan, for announcing the prestigious winner and conferring this award. Now, to just give a quick formal introduction to Mr. Baba Kalyani, prestigious individual with an Padma Bhushan. Mr. Baba N. Kalyani is the chairman and MD of Bharat Forge Limited, a part of Kalyani Group. The Kalyani Group operates in the sectors of specialty steel, high-tech metallurgical manufacturing, automotive components and infrastructure, along with specialty chemicals. Bharat Forge Limited has a revenue of over $1.4 billion with a transactional presence across 10 manufacturing locations, serving marquee clientele across automotive, oil and gas, and the aerospace, defense, construction, and mining sectors globally. Mr. Kalyani has been bestowed with a number of prestigious awards, including the Cross of the Order of Merit in Germany, Commander First Class of the Royal Order of Polar Star, Sweden, Knight in the Order of the Legion of Honor in France. He is the chairman of Pratham Pune Education Foundation, a charity that drives and provides primary education for underprivileged children. It's such an amazing honor and a pleasure to have him here with us today. With this, I'm going to hand over the screen to him for accepting this award.
I'm honored and humbled to accept this Lifetime Achievement Award at the 9th Annual Manufacturing Today Conference. I would like to thank the Global Editorial Board of ITP for granting me this award and the opportunity to address you all. I want to say thank you to my fellow industry peers whose work I deeply admire and have learned from over the years. When I joined Bharat Forge almost 5 decades ago, I learned early that great innovations are created in times of crisis. I'd like to say thank you to my Bharat Forge family for always making me proud and helping us to achieve greater heights, especially in tough and challenging times we are experiencing today due to the pandemic. Their faith and trust in me have been my inspiration and driving force. The world as we know has changed more in the last 2 years than it did in the last decade. We need to learn to adapt and to evolve to remain relevant at a much faster pace than we anticipated. The Indian manufacturing industry has been working tirelessly to transform and become a global leader. With our capabilities, I'm certain that our industry will help India thrive, prosper, and become a leading nation in the manufacturing space. A very special thanks to my family, friends, and everyone who has supported my dreams and journey over the years. I will continue to work towards manifesting them while looking forward to my next few years and more. Thanks again. Take care and stay safe.
Thank you so much, Mr. Kalyani. We are truly privileged and honored to bestow you with this award. Thanks for everything and for your kind words tonight.